day everyone. Okay, so for this video we'll be discussing the next topic of your module 9, which is all about the factor theorem. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what is a factor theorem? A factor theorem is a special case of the remainder theorem where the remainder p of r is equal to 0 and p of x has a factor x minus r if and only if p of r is equal to 0. So actually, we can determine if the divisor x minus r is a factor of p of x through synthetic division, but factor theorem is the easiest way, because if the result is equal to 0, then the divisor or x minus r is a factor of the polynomial p of x. Okay, so we have here an example. Show that x minus 2 is a factor of p of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x. So the process in the factor theorem is just similar with the remainder theorem. The first step is we're going to write our polynomial. So the polynomial is p of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x. Okay, and then the divisor is x minus 2. So we're going to determine the value of x through our divisor. So the divisor is x minus 2. We're going to equate the divisor with 0. Okay, or just take the opposite sign of negative 2, then that is the value of x. Okay, so we have x minus 2 is equal to 0. The opposite sign is positive, so x is equal to positive 2, or equate with 0, we have transpose negative 2, x is equal to 2. Okay, so we're going to substitute 2 to all x's, or to all of our x's to the polynomial. The polynomial p of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x. So we're going to substitute the value of x to all x's. We have p of 2 is equal to 2 cubed minus 5x squared plus, substitute all x's. We have 5 times 2 squared plus 6 times 2. Okay, the next step is we're going to simplify. Okay, we have p of 2 is equal to, we have 2 cubed, that is 2 times 2 times 2, we have 8, minus, simplify first expression within the parentheses or the exponent. We have 5 times 2 squared is 4 plus 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, then again simplify. We have p of 2 is equal to 8 minus 5 times 4 is 20 plus 12. Okay, the next step, again simplify. We have p of 2 is equal to, simplify from left to right. We have 8 minus 20 is negative 12. Okay, the sign of 8 is positive and the sign of 20 is negative, so unlike sign, subtract. So we have 20 minus 8 is 12, and then copy the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 20 and the sign is negative, so therefore, okay, the answer is negative 12, then plus 12. Okay, so now simplify negative 12 plus 12. We have p of 2 is equal to 0. So as you can see, the result is 0. Therefore, we can now say that x minus 2 is a factor of p of x, or the polynomial x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x. So in case if our result here is not equal to 0, therefore we can say that x minus 2, or the divisor, is not a factor of p of x, or our polynomial, if the result is not equal to 0. So here in our example, the result is equal to 0. Therefore, we can now say that x minus 2 is a factor of p of x, or the polynomial x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x. Okay, so that's it for the factor theorem.